Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter recovery mode on VIVO S17. And to do this, first we'll need to power off our device, and you can do it by either holding a power key like this, and if you get the power menu that turns off your device, then it should be fine and you can power it off. Or you might as well get the Google Assistant when holding only power button. In that case, click on the power key and volume up key at the same time and hold them for a few seconds. Then there's the power menu and we can power off our device. Now wait a few moments till it actually powers off, and then we can click on the power key and volume up key again and hold them till we see the logo. Let go, and here's our recovery mode. To access it, the touch screen doesn't work, so we need to use the volume down key to move down. Click on the power key to enter recovery mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.